So today we will have a vlog video because I'm going to shop something and also have some interesting junk food. So see, you can see the shop. Here I'm going to shop. So I'm going to sit here because it's for our safety, because only 10 to 15 members are allowed inside the shop. So let's wait for some time here.
What was that?
Guys, I'm waiting outside here because only few members are allowed inside the store, and after few minutes 5 or 10 members will be allowed inside and they can do shopping. So let's wait here really good because it's all for our safety. So after going inside, so this is how the store looks. I will buy some grocery items here. So let's buy something. And of course, let's grab some red wine. So I did some shopping. Now it's time to leave and have to eat some shared items. I'm really craving for, so let's go. I really love alone traveling. So now head to eat something. So this is our national flag where I'm going. So I got some cheeseburgers and some grilled cheese sandwiches. It's been long time in this lockdown, so I thought today I should grab this into my tummy. So let's enjoy, and some pineapple juice. So it will be very spicy, right? So okay, I'm enjoying it. It was a very good food actually. I'm eating after a long time. The cheeseburger was very spicy, and of course the grilled sandwich too. So let's eat and enjoy. Actually, I love a solo traveler, and of course, I'm loving this traveling alone and enjoying food alone. So let's have some pineapple juice because it was a very spicy. So definitely I should have that. Guys, I had everything. It's in my tummy. Now I'm going home by walking. It will take 15 minutes. I thought I should go by walk, but I ate so many junk food today. So guys, my vlog is going to over, and thank you so much for spending time with me. We'll meet in the next video.